Hello and welcome to this Bizmates Words and Phrases video series. And today's idiom is I'm not in a position to. I'm not in a position to. The position could be the president, vice president, manager, and so on. Okay, what does this mean? We will find out. But first, let's do our test. So, let's imagine we are colleagues and a new guy has joined our project team. And I say, hey, is the new guy a good worker? Is he a good worker? And you say, yes, he works well under pressure. That's right. Did you get that? I hope so. Okay, let's go on to today's idiom. I'm not in a position to. Okay, so let's imagine Taro and I are colleagues. And I asked Taro, you remember we're working on a project, right? And I say, Taro, can we raise the budget? Can we increase the budget? We don't have enough money for this project. And Taro is thinking, well, I'm not the project manager. I'm not allowed to make that decision. So he says, I can't decide that. Okay? Which is okay, but it's a little bit strong. It's like, I can't decide that. It doesn't mean I don't have enough time to decide this, or I don't have the authority or power to decide this, or I don't have the information to decide this. I can't decide that. It has many meanings, and it's quite a strong answer. So just to be a little bit more accurate in our answer, to say I don't have the authority to make that decision, we can say this. So I say, Taro, can we raise the budget? Can we increase it? And Taro says, well, I'm not in a position to make that decision. Very natural. I'm not in a position to decide that point, to make that decision. Okay? I don't have the authority. So I have to ask the project manager, or we have to ask the project manager. Okay, so let's look at pronunciation. It's I'm not in a position to make that decision. I'm not in a position to make that decision. You try. Good, okay? With my question, hey, can we raise the budget? Oh, okay, I understand. Then maybe we can ask the project manager together. Just like that. Okay, so if someone asks you for approval or asks you a question and you don't have the authority to make the decision or to say something, you can use this phrase. I'm not in a position to make that decision. I'm not in a position to say that. Okay? All right. So for homework, next time I will ask you, can we raise the budget? And you say, that's right. I'm not in a position to make that decision. Please remember this. We will see you next time. Thank you.